Welcome to Malabar Engineering College online classes. Today we will discuss about flue gas analysis using orsat apparatus. There are two types of automotive source of automotive pollutants: exhaust pollutant and non-exhaust pollutant. Exhaust pollutants are carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and oxides of nitrogen and particulate matters. These are exhaust pollutants, and there are several non-exhaust pollutants are hydrocarbons and etc. One of the most advanced method using methods for measuring exhaust gas is flue gas analysis. In this method, we can measure the amount of CO and carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen and hydrocarbons present in the exhaust gases. This apparatus consists of a large horizontal tube, and further it is connected with a graduated burette, and further it is connected to a water reservoir, and another end is connected with a previous stopcock, and further it is connected to a U-shaped tube which containing flue gases. Flue gases is the mixture of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. And the horizontal tube is connected with three vertical bulbs. This first one containing potassium hydroxide solution, and second one containing pyrogallic acid solution, and third one containing ammonium cuprous chloride solution. And first we open the previous stopcock. The flue gas is directly enters into the horizontal tube and enters into graduated burette. When we raise the water level in the water reservoir, the flue gas enters into the first bulb, which contain potassium hydroxide solution, which absorb CO2, and we can easily measure the amount of CO2 present in the exhaust gases before absorption and after absorption. Then stopcock is closed. Then second stopcock is open, and flue gas is further enters into second bulb, which contains pyrogallic acid solution. Pyrogallic acid solution absorbs oxygen present in the flue gases, and we can easily identify amount of oxygen present in the exhaust gases. And second bulb is closed. Then third bulb is open. Flue gas is directly enters into ammonium cuprous chloride solution, which absorbs CO2, and we can calculate the amount of CO2 absorbed there. We can easily calculate the before absorption and after absorption. The weight difference we can calculate the amount of CO2 present in the exhaust gases. And the amount of CO2 means if level of CO2 is increased, which means the combustion is complete combustion, and less amount of O2 means we can supply more amount of oxygen, and amount of CO means there is having incomplete combustion. Okay, thank you.